The actress sexual abuse attack case involving actor-producer Vijay Babu is a hotly debated topic in Kerala, with most people, mostly women, artists and activists, slamming him and expressing their solidarity with the actress. But a chunk of people also criticizes the actress for allegedly having a close relationship with Vijay Babu for quite a long period and later levelling sexual abuse charges against him for some reason. When Kerala High Court on June 22nd granted Vijay Babu pre-arrest bail subject to conditions, the High Court order also came under criticism from the supporters of the actress. Justice Bechu Kurian Thomas allowed the anticipatory bail plea with the condition that limited custody of the actor shall be available to the investigating officer. The following conditions were also imposed on the actor. The petitioner shall surrender before the investigating officer on June 27th at 9 a.m. for interrogation. He fulfilled this condition. The petitioner can be interrogated for 7 days, that is from 27th June to 3rd July, from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. The petitioner shall be deemed to be under custody during the aforesaid period for facilitating requirements of the investigation. The next condition: if investigating officer intends to arrest the petitioner, then he shall be released on bail on executing a bond of rupees 5 lakh with 2 solvent sureties each with the like sum. This has happened. The petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer as and when called for. Next, the petitioner shall not call or interact with the victim or any of the witnesses. Next, the petitioner shall not indulge in any form of attack through social media or other modes against the victim or her family. The petitioner shall not leave the state of Kerala without prior permission of jurisdictional court and shall cooperate with the investigation. The petitioner shall not commit any other offence while he is on bail. Though the petitioner's passport has been impounded, he shall surrender his passport as and when he is issued with a fresh one, or if the impounding is cancelled. Days before granting him bail, the court had heard the case at length, analysing the alleged WhatsApp and Instagram messages between Vijay Babu and the complainant actress in detail to ascertain the relationship between the duo. While there were submissions suspecting the authenticity of the messages produced before the court, the accused, appearing through advocate S. Rajiv, had asserted that no tampering had been done with the messages. Similarly, while the prosecution asserted that it was a case of sexual assault, Vijay Babu had claimed that it was a consensual act. The actor also added that this case was a move orchestrated by the complainant to take revenge on his refusal of a request to grant her more movie roles. Advocate R. Rajesh, appearing for the complainant, had denied these claims and opposed the anticipatory bail plea. On May 31st, the court had granted him interim pre-arrest bail. The court noted that merely because he was outside the country, the bail application would not become non-maintainable. This was extended by the judge upon being informed that Vijay Babu had returned to India and had appeared before the police for interrogation. Vijay Babu was, however, directed to cooperate with the investigation and to refrain from tampering with the probe. The court had part heard the matter earlier, and the Bureau of Immigration had also filed an application seeking to be impleaded into the case. The judge had also urged the prosecution to give some time to the actor to return to India and submit himself before the court, and that this was the only reasonable way to get justice for the victim in the case. It had also orally directed the actor to make himself available to the jurisdiction of the court. As per the actress' complaint, Vijay Babu gained her trust by being friendly and advising her when she was a newcomer in the industry. She added that he sexually exploited her, pretending to be her savior in personal and professional issues. A complaint was thereby registered against him with the Ernakulam police. Meanwhile, the actor hosted a Facebook Live and denied all allegations raised against him. However, during this live streaming, he revealed the survivor's name, which led to further backlash. A separate case had been registered under IPC Section 228A, disclosure of the identity of the victim in certain offences.